sure my hair looks okay. Okay. I just need to make sure I look good for people, you know what I'm saying? All right. What's good, everyone? Hope you guys are having a good day. As you can see behind me, sitting on my man desk, not a man cave, it's a man desk, I have a box from Advanced Fuel Dynamics. They specialize in E85 conversion kits, which is exactly what I bought for my 2014 Jeep SRT. So I want to take you guys through the box real quick, show you what's inside, show you what to expect when you open it up. If you've ordered one or you're debating ordering one, you'll at least see what's inside the box and show you guys how easy it is going to be to get this thing installed. I have opened the box once already, just to let you know before we get into this. So all the tape is already cut, I've already looked inside of it. But this is the PROFLEX Commander E85 conversion kit by Advanced Fuel Dynamics. This is made specifically for my Jeep, 2014 Jeep SRT, and they make it for all types of vehicles, Mustangs, Corvettes, Mopar stuff. I mean, they got it for everything. But I wanted to take a minute to open this up real quick, show you guys what's inside and what to expect. First thing I want to mention is how well put together this package is. I love the fact that they put the foam on the top and the bottom of the box to keep everything inside safe and secure. I think that is extremely professional, and that's a huge thing in my book. As you'll notice, the first thing they have in here is your stickers, which is important to me because, as you can see, I got stickers all over the place. I also have a zip tie as well. All the instructions and the names of all these parts are online, which I'm not currently looking at. But I'm guessing that these two red caps are going to come off, and that's where you're going to have fuel lines going, and then this is going to plug into something or another. Second thing is basically the communication hub for this system. This is going to read the E85 going through your system, and this is also going to communicate with the app on your phone that tells you the percent of E85 you're running in real time. Then we got a couple of fuel lines here, which you're going to connect. Looks simple enough. And we are on to the meat and potatoes of this system. This is the wiring harness for the entire system. This is going to connect to all of your fuel injectors, and that's going to read the E85 going through your system. So as you guys can see, there's really not a lot to this kit, which should make it very simple to install. I'm excited to do that, and I can't wait to get that done. That being said, before I install this system, I am going to be purchasing some X85 from VP Racing Fuels, which is basically really good E85, just to convert my car over from 93. I don't want to use any of the winter blend that we have in the Chicagoland area to do that, so in a few weeks I'm going to be ordering some of that fuel, and we'll be converting the car to E85 at that time. Side note, I want to give a shout out to Boost Brick, who has a boosted WK1 SRT, and he had these awesome stickers made. He sent me a couple of them. Shout out to KOW Performance for helping me out with all the performance upgrades I've been doing with my car. Shout out to Daily Driven Rides as well for hooking me up with the sick vinyls. If anybody wants one, hit me up on Instagram. I also have some vinyls over here that I'm going to be putting on my Jeep in a couple weeks once it's warmer. But shout out to Daily Driven Rides for hooking me up with those. I'll put all the information for these people below. But that was just a quick video of what comes inside this E85 conversion kit from Advanced Fuel Dynamics. I hope you guys stick around to see me do the install video, which I promise will be more entertaining than the throttle body install video, which was horrendously boring, and I apologize for anybody that had to watch that. And just a side note, I know I mentioned the black exhaust tips a minute ago, but shout out to KOW Performance for helping me out. I currently have an aftermarket exhaust on my car that has black exhaust tips, and I wanted to keep them, but they are welded to the aftermarket exhaust. This new exhaust is meant to retain your factory tips, which I do not have, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do. I knew I had to buy new ones, but I wasn't sure where to look. Contacted KOW Performance again and said, hey, I need to find some stock exhaust tips, and he was able to source me a pair of black ones, which is perfect, so it will continue to match the theme that I got going on with my car, which is pretty much silver black with a little bit of red. So huge shout out to him for helping me out with that. I also have a 180-degree thermostat coming, the exhaust tips, and shortly I will be purchasing some Hellcat fuel injectors, which I probably won't be throwing on until the summer when I can get the car dyno tuned. All that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys stick around to see some of the stuff that I got going on. I plan on getting a ton of footage this year. I'm looking into getting a new camera because the one on my phone right now that I'm using is terrible. And hopefully some other parts coming soon too. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys are having a blessed day, and we'll catch you next time.